Akala ko, healthy ako. Kasi malakas naman ako eh. Normal yung pakiramdam ko. Hanggang isang araw, nagkasakit ako and paulit-ulit nangyayari ito. Sadly, I was diagnosed to have severe vertigo with hypertension due to stress. I thank God. Nakilala ko ang amazing Pure Organic Barley. Now, I am vertigo-free. I can truly say, a barley a day keeps the doctor away. Amazing barley changed my life completely. Hindi lang pala ito pangkalusugan. Pwede din pala itong pangkabuhayan. Last 2021 through I Am Worldwide platform, full-time ko nang ginawa ang business. I'm grateful for the amazing achievements na natanggap ko. I'm now a car achiever, a Super Elite Rank achiever, bonuses achiever. Alam mo ba, most of all, I am thankful na habang dumadami ang income, dumadami din ang mga taong aking natutulungan. So kung ikaw, gusto mo din ng life-changing opportunity tulad ko, I Am Worldwide is the best for you. Again, I am Rosalie Estuaria. I am a lion. I am worldwide. To God be all the glory.